När jag växte upp hade min familj en egen vingård. Så det har alltid varit naturligt för mig att vara i vingården och vinkällaren. När
means when, pronounced
när
with a short
a
sounds similar to the a in cat and a rising intonation. It indicates the time frame of the following action.
ja
Means I, pronounced
yang
with a short
a
sound and a hard
g
sound. It's the first person singular pronoun.
växte
Past tense of
växa
meaning to grow. Pronounced
vek-teh
with the sounds similar to the a in father and a soft t sound at the end. Indicates the speaker's childhood.
upp
Means up, pronounced
upp
similar to the English word, but with a shorter o sound. It's an adverb often used with verbs of growth and development. Here emphasizing growing to adulthood.
hade
Past tense of
ha
meaning to have. Pronounced
hade
with the
a
similar to the a in father. Indicates possession in the past.
min
Means my. Pronounced
min
with a short
I
sound. A possessive adjective showing ownership.
familj
Means family. Pronounced
familj
with emphasis on the first syllable. A noun indicating a group of related people.
en
Means a or one. Pronounced
en
with a short
I
sound. An indefinite article, similar to a or an in English.
egen
Means own. Pronounced
egen
with a long
I
sound. An adjective indicating possession or belonging.
vingård
Means vineyard. Pronounced
vingård
with emphasis on the first syllable. A compound noun.
så
Means so or therefore. Pronounced
så
with a long sound. A conjunction showing consequence or result.
det
Means it. Pronounced
det
with a short
I
sound. A pronoun referring to the fact of having a family vineyard.
har
Present tense of
ha
meaning to have. Pronounced
har
with a short
a
sound. Indicates continuous possession.
alltid
Means always. Pronounced
alltid
with the emphasis on the first syllable. An adverb indicating constant occurrence.
varit
Past participle of
vara
meaning to be. Pronounced
varit
with the
a
like in father and a short I sound at the end. Used with
har
to form the present perfect tense.
naturligt
Means natural. Pronounced
naturligt
with the
a
like in father, a short u sound in the second syllable, and a soft t at the end. An adjective describing the situation.
för
Means for. Pronounced
fär
with a short
I
sound. A preposition indicating purpose or reason.
mig
Means me. Pronounced
mig
with a long
I
sound. A first-person singular object pronoun.
att
Means to. Pronounced
att
with a short
a
sound. A conjunction introducing an infinitive verb.
vara
Means to be. Pronounced
vara
with a long
a
sound. An infinitive verb.
I
Means in. Pronounced with a short
I
sound. A preposition indicating location.
vingården
Means the vineyard. Pronounced
vingården
with emphasis on the first syllable. The definite form of
vingård och
means and. Pronounced
och
with a short
Oh.
Sound. A conjunction joining two phrases.
Vinkällaren.
Means, wine cellar. Pronounced.
Vinkällaren.
With emphasis on the first syllable. A compound noun. Putting it together.
När jag växte upp hade min familj en egen vingård. Så det har alltid varit naturligt för mig att vara i vingården och vinkällaren.
Means, when I grew up, my family had its own vineyard. So it has always been natural for me to be in the vineyard and the wine cellar. It describes our childhood context influencing the speaker's relationship with winemaking.